I recognize how easy it is to get stuck in this space of feeling like there is only one way to do something. And I'm a science girl, so I like to see it in this way, right? So, for example, let's say you are looking to find a nail tech because you're a woman who loves to get her nails done. By the way, do y'all like my nails? They're so cute. Anyway, you are looking to get a nail tech. You're looking to find a nail tech that you moved to a new area and you're looking to find a nail tech, right? And so the science portion comes in as like you already have your control variable, right? Your control variable is your last nail tech who has just always been on top of the game. She educates you on your nails. The customer service is amazing. Um, the application is always flawless. Your nails last, whatever the case, right? So when you've moved to this different location, and so you're having to conduct research, field research on these other variables, which are other nail salons or other nail techs within the area, right? So you already have your control variable. You already know, you already have like the standard, right, of what it is that is probably one of the best nail techs that you've experienced, right? And so you have that in the back of your mind when you're going to these different nail salons or nail techs of how is their customer service, how is their application, do they understand the nail, do they understand the anatomy of nails and the nail education if that's something that's important to you. Um, do the nails last? Like what is the nail application like? This and then the other, right? So you are collecting all of this data, right, to determine, okay, where do I want to go and get my nails done at, right? With your control variable, which is like your best experience, right? And so that is how you can determine whether something is um, good for you or whether it's a place that you should go to get your nails done, right? Based off of that, we're always doing research. We're always doing research, collecting data based on whatever it is that we need. It's just like going to the grocery store. When you're looking at pricing, you're looking at the quality of the groceries, you're looking at your overall experience, you're looking at um, all these different things, the variety that they have, et cetera, et cetera. And so that determines where you go to get your groceries. Even if you have to go get groceries in different places, you know the places that you want to go based off of the data that you have collected within these different grocery stores. And so that determines what it is that you do, right? So that's how you know what like resonates with you or not. It's based off of like, and if you don't have a variable that you know that you can test that is up to the standard of what it is that you are seeking, excuse me, then it's the same way. It's just you don't have that variable. You simply um, may have an understanding of what it is that you like and what it is that you want and what it is that you naturally resonate with. And then you go and conduct your research that way based off of that, and you're able to eliminate what it is that you don't want. But that's how you can determine what resonates with you. Like, it's not about, oh, everybody is going to this one grocery store, so I'm gonna go to this grocery store because everybody is going to that one grocery store. There are a multitude of grocery stores. It just depends on what it is that works for you. You have to look at what you're willing to spend on groceries, the quality of food that they actually have in their grocery store, etc., etc. So you're figuring out all this data, and that is how you determine what resonates for you and what doesn't. Yeah. And so, for example, going back to the nail, finding a nail tech, right? So let's say you move to this area and all the experiences that you have, they're okay, but you're finding that your nails always lived or the application is awful. Your nails have broken several times. They don't really know too much about the nail education or how you can keep your nails healthy, and you're able to afford to travel back to your nail tech wherever they were, that's what you decide to do because that's what resonates with you and that's what makes the most sense based off of your data. Um, until you can find a nail tech that actually is in line with what it is that you need, right?